Welcome. If you've ever saved a web page in Google Chrome and later wondered where to find your bookmarks, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest, easiest steps to locate your bookmarks pages in Chrome. Whether you're new to the browser or just need a quick refresher, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. This is the browser where you've saved your favorite sites for quick access. Once Chrome is open, head to any web page. This step isn't strictly necessary to find your bookmarks, but it's a good habit if you want to add new bookmarks along the way. Now, look to the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the menu button, and it's your gateway to all of Chrome's features. Click or tap on those 3 dots to open the menu. From here, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled Bookmarks. Go ahead and tap or click on it. Instantly, a new side menu appears, showing all your saved bookmarks. Here you'll find your bookmarked pages organized by folders, including the bookmarks bar, other bookmarks, and any custom folders you've created. If you want to see even more details or organize your bookmarks, select Bookmark Manager from this menu. The Bookmark Manager gives you a full overview, letting you search, edit, and organize all your bookmarks in one place. That's it. With just a few taps, you can quickly find and manage all your bookmarked pages in Google Chrome. Remember, these steps work on most devices. Whether you're using a computer, tablet, or phone, just look for those 3 dots and the bookmarks option. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Chrome tips. See you next time.